This is a cube, a 3D shape with 6 square faces, all of equal size. Each face meets at right angles. Here are some examples of cube in our daily life. Dice, Rubik's Cube. This is a rectangular, similar to a cube but with rectangular faces instead of squares. Opposite faces are equal and parallel. Here are some examples of rectangular in our daily life. Brick, showbox. This is a sphere, a perfectly round 3D shape where every point on the surface is equidistant from the center.
Here are some examples of sphere in our daily life. Ball, globe. This is a cylinder, a shape with 2 parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface. Here are some examples of cylinder in our daily life. Can, pipe. This is a cone, a shape with a circular base and a pointed top, vertex, connected by a curved surface. Here are some examples of cone in our daily life. Ice cream, party hat. This is a pyramid, a shape with a polygonal base and triangular faces that meet at a single vertex. Here are some examples of pyramid in our daily life. Tents, Giza. This is a tetrahedron, a pyramid with a triangular base and 4 triangular faces. Here are some examples of tetrahedron in our daily life. Triangular pyramid. This is a prism, a 3D shape with 2 identical polygonal bases connected by rectangular faces. Here are some examples of prism in our daily life. Toblerone, chocolate.